Hey, good morning. How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Hey, good morning to Mock, Peter Schapp, Bob Means, Lonnie Huff, Lidix, D. Tucker, Least Estimator. Good morning, good morning. Let us... Hey, good morning, Jim Brown, Sin City Futures, K Trader, Amelia Stitcher, good morning, Uncle Carico, Alan Sutton, Max P, good morning, fellas. Let's have us a good day. Yo, Nutty. Hey, Loss, good morning. Jay, good morning. Nielsen, good morning. Well, I guess World War III might not be breaking out after all. Sure was funny watching everyone freak out over the Iran statements over the weekend. People predicting the market's going to tank. I mean, it still could, but definitely didn't do it overnight. It did not do it right as the market opened, so should be an interesting day. Definitely gonna, we could see some pretty good volatility here. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, Neo, Nilson, Sin City. Feel a drop to the downside? Yeah, it could happen. You did love all the predictions. I loved it too. I always love it. All right, good times, fellas. All right. Wood market, I mean, we're right at the highs of the overnight session, 350s. We had news at 8:30. We kind of ripped lower and then ripped higher. I don't know. Feel like it's a little bit. I don't really want to just jump in here long. I feel like we could. Friday got me. Friday got me good. It got me good, man. I was pretty upset. On Friday after stream. Man, why did I not just, when I ended stream, I should have just immediately shut down and left. And I really turned a good day into into a bad day on Friday. Lesson learned. Oh, really, Arnold? Yeah, it's unfortunate. I was not expecting. Once I zoomed out a little bit, looked at the higher time frame, it makes sense that we pulled back on Friday then, but we just had a nice downtrend. But I just was too. This move here, I thought, okay, we're gonna go back up higher, and I got way too biased. I always get myself in trouble when I do that. But you know what? Today is a new day. Today is a new day with new opportunities. Let's just trade well. Let's follow our stops and, take what happens. What happens. Hey, good morning, Indy Scalper. Roger, Sam, good morning. Hard Hat Trading, good morning. Oh, the clock. Yes, we need the clock. Here we go. Oh man, that's unfortunate, Arnold. That sucks. I'm hoping we get a nice pullback here at the open. Obviously, I am not going to trade until after 10. I want to seek what kind of volatility we get, and hopefully we establish a trend. Hopefully it's not just a chop fest. And we're going to try and go with the trend. Wait on pullbacks. No trading breakouts. No chasing. No FOMO. We can do it. Can I do a poll on bullish or bearish? Maybe a little bit. And okay, now pulling back a little bit. We are 5 minutes from the open. Oh dear. We had ourselves a little bit of a Twitter war over the weekend. Good times, good times. Hey, Tapak, good morning. Jim Brown, Rogers saying news at 10. Nothing major. Business inventories, but should be low impact. Hey, cool kid, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Tater Trades, good morning. Amelia Stitcher, with one person. Oh, Dave teaches. That guy's such a douchebag. And then one of his alt account, it must have been his alt account. He wanted to I enjoy some good Twitter wars when I'm bored. Who won the war? I don't know. It's not over yet. It was funny though. It's still funny. Oh man. So Dave teaches, like he had 20 funded. Dave teaches had 20 funded Apex accounts, right? And I think he actually got a payout from him. Okay. And he always just posts his wins. Like he never posts any losses. Guy's a joke. Okay. The guy sits there on his live streams, draws squiggly lines on a chart, and says, oh, price goes down or price goes up. And then whatever happens to the price, then he's like, oh, see, go back test. You should go back test. The guy's a joke. Anyway, but I think he did get a payout. So kudos to him. All right. Like no shade on that. But then last week he posts a rant that he is done. He's not going to be continuing to trade prop firms. He's done with prop firms and he's going to trade his own money, and he's not going to be a slave to these prop firms and their rules, and he's going to only trade his own money, and yada, yada, yada. And I re-quoted that tweet and just quoted it. And I said, what Dave meant to say was that he lost his 20 funded accounts and now he's going to trade with a brokerage. Okay. Because it was pretty obvious he lost his 20 funded accounts. Okay. You don't just, he obviously didn't just cancel his 20 funded accounts with a profit still in them, obviously, but he never addressed it. And he never posted his losses, and he never shared anything that he lost his accounts. It was just all of a sudden, I'm done with prop firms and I'm going to trade my own money now. So I posted that and just said, hey, what Dave meant to say was I lost my 20 funded accounts. And that really triggered him. Oh, that really triggered him. He went on a rant. He tried to, oh, you're a terrible trader, blah, blah. Which is like, I always find it funny. And he started name calling me. Anyway, oh, wow, we're open. We're ripping lower, folks. Let's pay attention here. Go right down to the 18,300s. Let's see what she does. We will be patient. But anyway, the guy went off the rails, and I kept telling him, I kept telling Dave, I'm like, dude, just admit that you lost the 20 funded account. It's just nothing wrong with it. Like, but why don't you ever post your losses? Like, he never posts losses, only his wins. And then his mentors, not mentors, his students, they start piling on and coming to his defense. And, oh, it was funny. Some good entertainment. The market goes up. Hey, you're already done for the day. Nice. Why do you think he dropped Apex? He dropped Apex because he blew all his accounts. That's why. That's why. He even said in the comments that he has no issues with Apex. It's very obvious that he lost his accounts. There's no shame in it. It's more just the fact that he doesn't actually, that he's not transparent with his losses. If you go through his account, his Twitter account, you never see a loss, ever. And then he tries to paint himself as, 100% profitable, 100% winning trades. It's such a joke. And then people actually fall for it. People actually believe it. All right, we are through the 300s. I mean, we got VWAP here at the 270s. I don't know what it. We got the low of the day. The low of the overnight session is all the way down here at the 150s. Not sure what to expect here this morning, to be honest. Man, all the way down to the 275s. It definitely looks like we're going to the 270s. Wow. All the way through the 270s now, through the 265s. I mean, this could be the start. I mean, I don't know. We definitely could be in for a red day. So we shall wait and be patient. There's blood in the streets. Hey, Garrett. Good morning, Garrett. Good morning, Camber Trades. John, good morning. How we doing, fellas? My pet Eskimo, good morning. Iskin, good morning. All right. Now seeing our first little bit of a bounce here, but maybe I don't know. We'll just wait and see. Yeah, we are not going to try to predict V-shaped recovery moves. We are not doing that today. I learned my lesson, I think. We're just going to wait. Okay, I want to see, is this going to actually hold up here on this bounce or not? Hang on, I got to take this call. And that was a telemarketer. Man, I hate those. All right, okay, now we're seeing some, this is starting to look interesting. We are making a move, making a move. Will it hold? That's the question. Off the 270s, now we're getting close to the 300s. And here we go. Whoa, through the 300s, up above the 305s. We ripping. Through the 310s. Big move, big bounce off the VWAP here, off the 270s. Now the question is, will it hold? It's the V-shaped missile. That is true. That is true. A V-shaped missile. Just excuse me. Now we just need to see if it holds. It's already pulling back a little bit. All right here again. Let's see, we get about the 315s. Seeing a little bit of a struggle here to get above, hold the 310s, get above it. The V-shaped move happened this morning. It is happening. All right, here we go. See if we get through the 315s here. Or get above the EMA, 21 EMA here. And we're seeing some volatility here. Seeing some volatility come in. 945. All right, here we go. Get above the 15s. And I mean, we could be trying for the high a day here. Does seem to struggle to get above the 15s here a little bit. And pull them back. Now the question is, this is where we're just kind of stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle. Still think we probably go higher, but hard to tell. I'm glad to just be watching this, not being in a trade. I will take it. All right, market, what do you want to do? And down we go to the 290s. Are we going to make new low, like test the lows here, the 270, 265? We did not make it above this EMA. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit, look at a little bit of higher time frame. We're still just trading in this range that we've been trading in since February. We what a powerful tool. It's great, John. Can I just flip a trade on the 10th day of PA if I'm over threshold? Yes, John. So of the 10 days, you are allowed to flip for 2 days. Hey, I'm a new subscriber. Have a question to use the copier. If I use the copier or trade each account manually? I trade each account separately, Carl. I use the trade copier for evals, but at the moment, I trade my PAs one at a time. Hey, very nice, Nilsson. You're up 673. That's awesome. Yep, John, you're good. Congratulations getting over the threshold, John. That is awesome. That is awesome. Really, oh wow, look at this move now. This is some crazy stuff here, boys. Some crazy stuff. Is Apex a good option? I mean, Carl, I don't use the Apex trade copier, but I don't want to say that it's not good because I don't really know. I've heard people that use it that haven't had any issues with it. So, hey, my day trading journal, I appreciate you using my code. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But yeah, I mean, I think the Apex copier works. I think any trade copier can cause issues, especially when you're in a fast moving market. That can cause issues. So just be aware of that. Okay, but this here, now that we failed to make new lows on this move lower, we need to see new lows here before I really am going to look for shorts. We might just go, I don't know why I have this feeling that we're just going to have a very choppy day. But we could be in for a choppy session. We need to get above the 310s. Right now, the 310s are kind of holding up as resistance. Get above the 315s. See if we can get going. Looking for the, yeah, we got to get above the 315s if we want to get some momentum to the upside. Struggling to get above the EMA here. Would be tempting to short the EMA, but I don't want to get trapped short. That's never a good time. 315's holding, putting up some, man. We have, yeah, not any high impact news the rest of the day. No, we need to get above the 315s. I think we're going higher. The fact that we didn't make new lows on this move, I think we might be going higher. There we go, above the 15s. Let's see if we can keep going. Someone got his payout already? Oh, you mean from the request on the first? As pesos, if I'm in a trade? Nope. Okay, there we go through the 15s, testing the 20s now. We're just gonna wait. Really, what I'd love to see this rip, like, be above the 50s and get a nice bullish move here. Something I can believe in. All right, above the 20s now. Man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day here in Ohio today. I wanted to check the weather. I thought it was supposed to rain today, but maybe that's tomorrow. Maybe I should mow my lawn today. I need to mow my lawn this week before we head to Jamaica, and I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to do it. So today's going to be nice, and then tomorrow, a couple of showers in the afternoon. Man, I might have to mow the lawn today. All right, we're at the 20s. See if we can keep it going. Stream mowing the lawn. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how I would do that. I'd have to take my camera and set it up somewhere. That would be weird. You had to mow my backyard 4 times. It was so long in the same spot. Oh yeah, Shane. Well, the grass is definitely starting to really grow here in Ohio. We're finally getting some warmer weather. We have plenty of rain, and now we're getting the warmer weather. So the grass is, so the areas where we put in the patio, those areas that we reseeded about 4 weeks ago are finally starting to show a tint of green. So the new grass is finally starting to come alive. Hopefully when we get back from Jamaica, it'll be a nice and green. All right, market. 4 minutes from 10 o'clock. And let's see, we don't pull back a little bit here. Yep. Pull back to the 310s here. Now through the 305s. Getting a healthy pullback. And down we go. And look at, now we're pulling back more. And this is what just makes me want to, I don't really want to trust the bulls or the bears, really. Now we're pulling back even more. Just, ugh. Definitely, I don't, man, this thing, if we go below the, test these low, the 275s here. An entry here would be tempting, but it's feel like it's dangerous. I'm just gonna wait. Man. Doing the old snap price action, just wicking through. Don't trust it. I don't trust it. All right, now we're seeing the rip higher. Looks like a long here would have worked. Feel like it's high risk. See if we get above the 25s on this move. It is looking pretty bullish now. We still got to get above that. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get above the 325s here. Here we go. 25s. There she goes, above the 25s. It looks like the bulls are definitely... Ugh. I hate trading this kind of big, like we're getting these big pullbacks. Ugh. It's hard to hold through them. Hey, Recovery Wick. Yep, don't forget it's tax day. I did my tax payment on Friday. And I hated every moment of it. Hey, top secret leverage up 1,000. Let's go. Nicely done. All right, let's see. We get above the 20s. Struggling a little bit here to get above the 25s. You did yours Thursday, Amelia? Yeah. Why pay taxes? At the end, they always find you and they just slap a small fine. Are you saying you should avoid taxes? I don't think that's wise, but hey. Maybe what, filing taxes was what, threw off your game on Friday? I don't think so, Steve. It was me. It was me just not following my rules, really. Not following my rules, being too biased, and being too stubborn. Stubbornness. That was my biggest issue. Unwilling to take a loss. That's usually my nemesis, is my unwillingness to accept a loss. And it's always harder, like it rears its ugly head a lot more as I get closer to payout. I realize that it's not a great time for it to rear its ugly head, but it does. It does. It's like, oh yeah, this is, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I should be looking for here. Down we go. Do you just, seems like right here at the 295s, it's kind of putting in some support here. I'm just going to wait. Usually around 10 to 10:30, sometimes we get these huge moves as well. We're getting all-time highs this week, Tater Trades. Hey, I hope. I hope we do, Tater Trades. I like when we go higher. I don't like when we just do this sideways. I just want to see us break above this here. I want to see us break out of this range we've been trading in. I need some water. And we're going lower. Wow. You should take care of that cough, Viter. Yeah, I know. My cough is so annoying, but it's a chronicle cough. It's something that, it is what it is. Okay, here we go, folks. We might be looking, I mean, this is where we could buy, but I want to wait. See if we are gonna, is this 270? Is this VWAP gonna hold? The bears are back. They're mad. They want to take this thing lower. And it looks like they're gonna do it. Nice LOS, nice loss. Had a friend that thought he was in trouble from the IRS. No way. He moved to Costa Rica for 20 years. Ended up getting a lawyer. Ooh, there we go. Ripping. Oh, boys. Hello, boys. All right. We do have the 240s here. Could get us some support. But it is looking like we want to go lower. And now we're bouncing off the 240s here. Is the 240s going to hold? Question about payout. If you hit 56K on a PA, can you only withdraw 2K? In the mock, yes. So the first, you have to have 3 months of a withdrawal. Once you have 3 months of a withdrawal, then there is no limit on how much you can take out. But you can take out 2,000 twice a month for the first 3 months, and then you can take out no limit. All right, down to the 30s now. Definitely only looking for shorts now. Just a matter of now. I just want to wait till we get a little bit of a pullback and then we jump in short. I think we are definitely just gonna. We're just. This is looking like. It's tempting just to jump in. And down we go through the 220s. Wow. And we keep down through the 210s, down to the 200s. Oh my. Oh. Now I don't. That's hard. That's tough. Should have just jumped in here as soon as we went through the 240s. I guess I might say that about the 200s, but I'd like to see a little bit of a move higher. Through the 200s. Now getting a little bit of a bounce. Okay, now we're getting a bounce above the 210s now. Hold it. I'm going to do it. I think this is just taking profit. Hopefully we can capture a quick scalp here. Come on, you don't want to rip now, do you? All right. What the heck? I just get... Holding. What kind of bounce is this? Jeez. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate it. That's insane. Insanity. Really need this thing to rip lower. Come on. Big red boner candle right here, right now. Do it. No, 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 no. Hmm. What is this market? Really? This is not cool, man. Trying to go with the trend, you know? Trend's your friend until it isn't. Still, I mean, I'm okay with the trade, but geez, what a rip here. Now all of a sudden there's just nothing but buyers. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to call Max Payne here very soon. Oh my gosh. I hate it here. You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Oh, you, like, what is this? We really gonna rip? Oh, freaking. This is kind of where I'm holding. Unbelievable. That's brutal. I just don't get it. From the 190s and just nothing but straight up to the 250. Like, what is that? It definitely trapped me. I'm gonna hold for now, at least. Hmm. I'm thinking of killing this thing, but I'm gonna kill it there. That was so frustrating. Hmm. I'll be so sad when it drops. Yeah, I will be sad. I just I just don't like what I'm seeing. I think it's gonna keep going higher. I don't know what to think. Like, what the heck was that? Man, sometimes I hate trading NQ. Mm. It drops, and then you go 150, and then you go short. Oh, we have a genius surgery Sabs, Mr. Genius in the chat. Yeah, I like it. You gotta be kidding me. Mm. Mm. What a freaking joke. Mm. Mm. I'm just some crazy price action. Oh, what frustrates me more than like what really gets my attention is the like I wait to trade until after 10 o'clock so the volatility isn't as high. And as soon as I start that, it seems like between 10 and 10:30 is when the volatility is actually higher than like at 9:30 to 10 anymore. It's crazy. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's frustrating. I'll be honest. I'm very frustrated. I mean, yeah, taking this short, was it? I mean, of course, in hindsight, it's easy to say, oh, you should have waited, but I was waiting for a pullback. This was from the 190s to the 215s. That's a 25-point bounce. That's kind of what I was looking for, like a 25 point pullback on this strong of a move lower. But I know it's easy to say in hindsight. I mean, if anyone here predicted that we're going to bounce from the 190s all the way to the 250s, a 65-point bounce here, then kudos. I guarantee you probably, if you took the trade, congrats. But that's, I wasn't expecting it, obviously. The dollar was going down. Well, guess what? The dollar can go back up too. Hindsight is 2020. Hey, Speed Racer, good morning. Hang on. All right, we're back. Trend is your friend. Yeah. All the people that, you know what's funny? The same people that say trend is your friend, and then I enter going with the trend, and then it reverses, and then they say, why would you enter there when it's already going down? Like, you can't win. You can't win, man. There's always someone that, you know, that knows everything. Man, but this here is just brutal. Yeah, it might be time to end the stream early and go mow the lawn. The way this is going. Definitely got the makings of a tilt day if we're not careful. In hindsight, we're all millionaires. Exactly. How are the other accounts looking? I've seen them better. I've seen better. I have definitely seen better. Hang on now. I got to take this call. All right, we're back. All right, here we go. Oh, I should have just held. Son of a. Unbelievable. Such a choppy. Yeah, little big bear. I get the big bars. I mean, I wasn't expecting a 60 point move. I was expecting a 25 to 30 point move, not a 60 point move. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, are we going to rip lower or not? Watch us rip this thing up again now. Kind of want to go long. No. Oh yeah, look at this. We're gonna rip this thing higher now. Ooh. Look at this. Look at it. We're just gonna chop and chop and chop some more. It's a good time to just. Do I have the nerve to short up here at the EMA? That's the question. Hmm. Can you connect TradeAway to Ninja Trader? Yes, you can. JOCU? Yes, you can. All right, let's see if we rip again. Rip higher here. I almost look at this like a double bottom right now, even though we did make. Technically, we made new lows here, but. All right, let's see if we make new lows on this move. Here she goes. Hold on. I think we will. Oh. Now, if we can't make new lows on this move, maybe we do have to think about. Gosh, I want to go long. Oh, I'm not doing it. Hang on. Thought I heard someone. It was the 3-year-old driving his little car on the pavement. Yeah, this is, I don't know. Now that we failed to make new lows, I'm getting the itch to go long. All right, I'm out. You think we go test this 150, 120 area possibly? I don't know. If this doesn't hold, I think we're gonna rip lower. It's not wanting to do it. Thought we're gonna break through, but maybe we won't. Wow. Wow. Hang on. And we're back. Hey, good morning, traders chick. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you had a great weekend. You thought my strategy worked best in choppy days? Nope, not really. My strategy works best in trending days. And back down we go. Unreal. This thing's gotta rip through here now. Man, I should have just be buying at the bottom here, I guess. Selling at the top of this. I don't know. I probably should. I'll be honest. I should walk away. I shouldn't even trade. I'm feeling so out of sync with the markets and then a little tint of tilt. Oh, just should call it a day. Some days you just don't have it, you know? Some days are just not the days. And there it goes through the 90s now. Let's see how much of a rip. I feel like we're going to get a rip here, but there it is. We ripping now. Down we go. Laugh. Just go long, full account, and then close your computer. I don't think that works. I need to take this call. Okay, I'm back. Had to do that phone call. I'm really debating my options here on if I actually want to keep trading or not. I really just need to short this channel, the top of the channel, like right here. If I trust it enough, I guess. Oh, wow, look at that. Hey, truck and trading. You thought my strategy worked best in choppy on a choppy day? Well, I mean, it's not really choppy today either, but I do not do well on when we have high volatility. High volatility is my nemesis. And we've had some this was pretty volatile here. I should have just waited. Thanks for the $2, truck and trading. I appreciate it. Hey, Matty Matt. Oh, man, really? I'm sorry, bud. Oh, yeah, we're not having a great day over here either. We're not having a good time. Hey, Mark Lawrence. Good morning. Oh, I hate days like today. I do. I hate it. Feel like I'm definitely not a good streamer when I'm having a bad day, so I apologize. Hey, I appreciate it, my day trading journal. I appreciate it, guys. Still hanging out even on the bad days. I'll try to have a better attitude. I just need a minute. Oh, really, black coffee? Oh, man. Yeah, I know you. I appreciate it. I just get so frustrated with the market, and I know it's not like I know that's part of the problem. Like it's just frustrating when get trapped. It's frustrating when you get trapped in these huge moves, and then should have just held. I should have just held. Ah, that's what makes it worse. Should have just held and just ride it out, and it would have been fine. The fear thing is got to me. Oh, hey, where's Ponzi? Yeah, I know the trader's chick. It's not even like it's frustrating. Like this account, honestly, it's been a roller coaster ride on this account. We've seems like every day I have a bad trade and we have a big loss, and then I usually actually I have made most of it back. Kind of got back to break even most days. Um, I don't know that that's going to happen today though. Just not feeling it. Yeah, I. Oh. Seriously, if this is another telemarketer, stupid telemarketers, take my anger out on on the telemarketers. Sometimes when market goes your way, whatever you do, you're right. Yeah, I know. When you're not doing well in the beginning, whatever you do is wrong. I know, it's so true. It's so true. Everything you do is wrong. It just that's when you should just reverse you, right? All right, are we going to make new lows? I still think that 149, this 120 area, I think that's going to get tested today, but I'm hoping to get a little bit more of a bounce. And if we start seeing some weakness, I just got to sell and hold on. Hold on for dear life. Maybe I need to do some lawnmower trades. Go short, go mow the lawn, come back and check on it instead of micromanaging my position. Let it do its thing. War on the horizon, only short. Didn't seem like the market really cared that much about the whole Iran comments over the weekend or their actions. Walking it down slowly and then trapping intraday shorts looks like it might squeeze. One thing I have to like, one thing I have to just, I guess, take in consideration is it actually seems like it seems like the last 2-3 weeks around 10 o'clock is when we experience like the bigger moves. Like we have the opening, obviously we rip lower, but we kind of just traded that range, and then we get our actual move happens at 10 o'clock. I don't know. And then I get trapped here. Yeah, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. Just gotta. You got the drop on the open for 100 ticks? Nice. Nice, little big bear. Oh, that's very nice. The 15-minute chart is in a major cycle down. Yeah, I am looking at the 15-minute chart, and I agree. We are just seeing a lot of red candles. We haven't seen one green candle yet all day long on the 15-minute chart. So I definitely no business going long, at least not yet. All right, are we gonna? Yeah, QQ. Yeah, the 15-minute is a really good for understanding the trend, the little bit longer term trend. I definitely should have been on Friday. On Friday, being aware of what the 15-minute trend was would have done me, would have definitely helped me. I have the 15-minute chart up, but I don't always look at it like I should. All right, are we going to make new lows here? All right, here we go. See if we make new lows. Nope. Now we're ripping back. All right. I'm starting to reset my mind. Take a minute. Oh, here we go. See, we make new lows. Hey, Trip Candy, how we doing? Ah. Like in those hyenas in Africa, they bite you and then they kick you and then they run away. Oh, that's how it does feel that way. Orange pop. We hold of 167, 168. We could bounce to 180. Yeah, I mean it's the volatility has definitely died down now some, so we have not made new lows, but it looks like we're about to. I don't know. I still think that 150s like the 150 to 120 is going to be a magnet, or I don't know. We guess we'll find out. But I probably need to just get short as we get close to this EMA, get short, but I'm I'm also scared. But you know what they say, scared money don't make money. So we got to get in on it. Oh wow, now look, is this thing going to rip? We had still not, well, I guess we did. I don't think this counts as a new low, even though it technically is. I don't know that I don't know that I'm going to say that's a new low. Come on, I just need this thing to... Like, this is a... Price is definitely slowed down. Yeah, 11:30. Thank you, DL. That's thank you for reminding me. 11:30 London close. So yeah, I always want to remind. I always feel like if reversals are going to happen, they tend to happen around that 11:30 close, at least sometimes. Hey, nice, Timothy Lee. That's awesome. Hey, take care, Paint Bar Trading. Auction coming up might get things moving. Okay, is there another auction? Oil Powell speaking tomorrow? Of course he is. Of course he is. Hey, we're about to... Let's see if we did make new lows just by a tad, just by a hair. It's like it's trolling. It's going so slow. So tempting to go long right here. Gosh. I'm doing it. I think we're going to... I'm not going to be aggressive on this. Come on. Really want this thing to pop. All right, need this thing. Looking for a little bigger move here, but I'm not going to let it go against me that much. Yeah, I want to get out. Well, yeah. I just need some small wins. Just some small wins of some fashion. If this really rips now, I'm going to be a little upset. It probably will. Watch this thing rip. Okay, we're right at the EMA. I really wish I would still be in this trade. I got to take this call. Oh yeah, I'm back. Ooh. Man, I might jump in again here. Come on, break out. Come on. Come on, keep going. I'll take it here if I get filled. We just gotta chip away at this. Eesh. It's starting to be volatile again. Oh. Volatility definitely coming in here. Look out. Look out. Man, I don't want to. Is there news or something? Definitely. Okay, the London session just closed. Yeah, that's true. Okay, but London session closed 5-6 minutes ago. Pretty bullish though. As long as we hold, the EMA here. If not, we could go make new lows easily. Oh, thank you, Alpine. I will check it right now. Look at that. Now we're ripping right back up. Interesting indeed. Bond auction thing. Wait, is this the bond auction at 11:30? No way. Yeah, I saw that, Alpine. I retweeted that too. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh. Oh, funny times. Mm. Mm. Who knew guys could be such drama queens? Oh, that's true. Oh, I love me some good drama. Oh, it's tempting here to go short, but this thing it's getting bought up pretty quickly. Any rip lower, we're just getting bought up. David, thank you. Today, I'm definitely not I'm definitely today has been not a great stream so far. Okay, I'm gonna dive in here. If I mean this thing wants to go, let's go. No, I just cannot have this thing rip lower. Mm. I'm a little worried about this one. Oh man. I might be done. If I get stopped out here, I think I'm going to just end it. The stream. Just not my day. And I need to stop before it gets worse. Yeah, this is not good. And we're stopped out. Yeah, it is what it is. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I'm feeling some tilt. I'm feeling the tilt urges. I'm frustrated, and that's the beginning of my tilt sessions is when I get frustrated. I'm already my other accounts. I mean, it could definitely be worse, but it could definitely be better. I have one account that's the account that we had a big loss on Friday. That account, I think we can consider it's very, very close to being dead. And it is what it is. we might only have 10 accounts that we can get to pay out, which, you know what? If we get 10 accounts to pay out, that's still 20,000. I'm still happy with that. I'm happy, but Friday and today were not good. Not good, man. Just bad trade. I hate when I'm trading like this. I hate it. Just completely not on the right side of my trades. But the key is to walk away and end it for the day. That's always the key, I feel like. Even on Friday. And stopping my trading on Friday, like today, entering today, I felt good about it. Like, I felt way better starting the day today, than I did Friday when I ended it. So that's the important part to remember is when you're in the middle of a tilt session, remember that if you end your trading now, and if you stop trading now, the next day you're going to feel 10 times better than you did when you were on tilt. Or you're going to feel more confident about your trading. So it is what it is. It could be worse. It could definitely be better. Now this account, we're back. This account doesn't look like we're going to be able to get a payout this session. And then we have one other account that doesn't look great either. But that leaves us with 10 other accounts. Just gotta be smart. Just gotta be smart. I need better indicators to see the market better. What I need, Claudia, is I need to be able to see the future. Okay? That's what I need. If you can see the future, I will listen. There's no indicator that's going to tell you what's going to happen next. Anyway, I'm going to end it here, and I am going to turn off trading for the day, and we are done. We are done. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Sorry for the short stream, but I don't want to sit here and just yap to you guys, especially when I'm not in a good mood. So appreciate you guys hanging out. Let's tomorrow is going to be a better day. Tomorrow is going to be a better day. All right. I hope you guys all have a green day. Take care and God bless.